Let us do the traditional way of doing asanas. From Tadasana, move to Trikonasana, stay there, take 6 slow Ujjayi breaths. You are staying in the same asana. You are constantly breathing in and breathing out using Ujjayi technique. This way of doing asanas has immense power. After 6 breaths, come back to Tadasana and do the same asana on the other side. Go back to the Trikonasana, triangle pose. Stay in a stable way, sthiram sukham asanam. So what we do, we try to hold the pose as stable as possible, as long as you're comfortable. A minimum 6 breaths. Initially it is slightly difficult. After couple of days, your mind becomes calm and peaceful if you follow this way of doing asanas. Very good. Come back to Tadasana. Excellent. Let us start breathing exercises. What we do, we continuously do asanas, but what we do the same asana, breathe in and breathe out. But we do as slow as possible. Let's start. Stand in Tadasana. Breathe in, raise hands up, hands up. Breathe out, Kati Chakrasana. Breathe in, Kati Chakrasana on the other side. Breathe in, breathing out, Kati Chakrasana. Breathe in, hands parallel. Breathe out, Kati Chakrasana. Breathing in and then breathe out, Kati Chakrasana. Breathe in, breathe out, Kati Chakrasana. Breathe in and breathe out, Kati Chakrasana. Breathe in, breathe out, Kati Chakrasana. Continue couple of rounds. Very good. Now let us do one more asana. Breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, Pada Hastasana. Breathe in, raise up. And breathe out, Tadasana. So breathe in, raise up. Breathe out, Pada Hastasana. Breathe in, raise up. Breathe out, Tadasana. Breathing in, hands up. Breathe out, Pada Hastasana. Breathe in, raise up, hands up, and breathe out, Tadasana. Keep doing couple of rounds. Very good. Now one more asana. Come back to Tadasana. Now breathe in, hands up, lock the palms, Triyak Tadasana. Breathe out and then breathing in, raise up. Breathe out, Tiryak Tadasana. Breathe in, breathe out, Tiryak Tadasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep doing couple of rounds. So you're inhaling, raising up, exhaling, inhaling, raising up, exhaling. Very good. Release. Breathing in, raise up. Breathe out, Tadasana. Amazing. Let us do simple flow of asanas. We call it Vinyasa Yoga. We don't stay in one asana. What we do, we inhale in one asana, we exhale in the next asana. We continuously move from one asana to another asana. Let's start. Stand in Tadasana. Breathe in Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe out Pada Hastasana. Breathe in Asvasanchalanasan. Breathe out Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in Falakasan. Breathe out Sisuasan. Breathe in, come to table and breathe out Ashtanga Asan. Breathe in Bhujangasan. Breathe out Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in right foot forward Asvasanchalanasan. Breathe out Padahastasana. Breathe in Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe out Thadasana. Breathe in Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe out Padahastasana. Breathe in left foot backward Asvasanchalanasan. Breathe out Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in Falakasan. Breathe out Sisuasan. Breathe in, come to table pose and breathe out Ashtangasan. Breathe in Bhujangasan. Breathe out Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left foot forward, breathe in Asvasanchalanasan. Breathe out Padahastasana. Breathe in Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe out Tadasana. This is basically one set of sun salutation. This is called flow. So based on this Surya Namaskara only, many vinyasa sequences are created. So this is the base. This is the fundamental thing. We call it vinyasa, way of doing asanas. Good job.